Hey guys, Dan here. It's a new day, nice day. It's a new year and I'm about to get a new camera. So let's head out and find what's the best new camera you can get in the market right now. Let's go! Hey, so I'm nearby this area called Châtelet, Lake Halls, and I'm gonna go to the store where I'm trying to get a new camera. Let's go! So that's where I'm gonna get the camera. I don't think they will allow recording inside, so we'll sneak in somehow. Document one shot.
Non, vous êtes équipé. Ouais.
Ah, super.
Une petite poignée pour le transport.
Ah, ils sont bons. C'est une meuf.
Et le ticket à présenter
C'est
à
une
la
meuf.
sécu,
Super.
meuf.
Merci beaucoup.
Bonne journée,
Au
monsieur.
revoir. Hey guys, I'm back at home. I guess this is gonna be the setup for the next couple of videos in the future if I have things to talk about. And yeah, I got my new camera. Here we go. Yep, it's still in the box as you can see. And let's open it up immediately. It's like an unboxing session, okay? The cool thing about the store is that they gave me this. I'm gonna keep it in the future. My cutter, obviously, here. And let's start immediately. Fun fact, I got this cutter from when I did my exhibition, my first exhibition in France. I had to do everything myself, and I asked them to procure me a cutter, sorry. And this is it. Well, without much ado, let's open this box. Alright, okay. Oh, it's very good. Well box. Okay. And oops. Voila! Can you guess what camera this is? The Lumix S5. Yeah, it's a Panasonic. So I don't know. I didn't get the second one. I got the old one, the very first edition of the Lumix S5, which I thought was, you know, good enough. And I've been eyeing for this for quite a while, actually. As a matter of fact, actually, I've been eyeing for this since late 2022 or something like that. You know, I thought I would need a new camera, a bigger one than my GR. And but then I also heard at the time that S2 was gonna come out, S5 II was gonna come out. And I waited, and yeah, I thought, oh, maybe I should just get this one instead. So I just waited for another year, and eventually this cost me a good 1,499 euros. This comes with the camera body itself, obviously, and then 2 batteries, right, and 120 to 60 mm lens. The supposedly amazing kit lens from Lumix Panasonic, and the 50 mm 1.8. So it's a bundle, and I think that's the best. I'll be honest, I think that's the best option you can get at this point of time if you want a new camera. And yeah, you know, you don't need the latest new camera. You know, like anything produced after 2019 are actually good enough for you to shoot with. So anyway, let's just open the whole thing. Wow, it's a big box, you know. Oof. I thought I just cut myself here. Yeah, I did. Oh, be careful, guys, when you open your new box. You know, it's dangerous. Okay. Let me start open this up. Okay, inside the box is obviously another box. I can assume this is the 50 mm. Let's open it. Let's open this one first. Yeah, I can highly assume this is 50 mm. Oops. Let me just use some space. The warranty card, I guess. I'm not sure if I have a warranty. I don't. Okay. Wow. Honestly, it's boxed really nicely. Oh, this is it. I mean, say what you want to say. It's a small lens, and you've got this amazing protection in the box. I'll just open it again all the way. Right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right. The 50mm Lumix. Looking forward to use this. Simply because I really want to get some shots at night. I need that 1.8. I think that's good enough. It feels really, really light, guys, to be honest. Feels plasticky. But hey, it is what it is. It's an L mount, by the way, so I can use it on the Leica SL. Right, so let's move on to, let me just put this nicely first because it's brand new. I don't wanna, make it dusty, and put it here for a while. Right, then let's open the big boy. Ooh. Bam bam. All right, this is what I've been looking for. Wow, amazing. When was this produced actually? I don't know why, but it says for Japan use only. For Japan only. But I bought it here in France. Yeah, it's a digital camera lens kit. This is it. This is what I always wanted to get. Let's open it. Ooh, the extra battery. I hope this is the extra battery because this is supposed to have. I'm supposed to get 2 batteries. The book, obviously. Let's put this one side again. And this always, guys. I mean, like, there's always a box inside a box. I mean, but it's boxed really nicely. Look, it's boxed nicely inside. It's an empty something. I don't know. All right, we've got, first off, we've got the lens kit. All right, we got the lens kit right here. We got this as well, the hoods. Not sure I'm gonna use it in the future, but hey, who knows? I'm gonna get the filter protection though. The strap. Finally, the camera body itself. Wow, this actually, ta-da! Beautiful, 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 beautiful. What do you guys think? Huh? I'm just gonna hold it right now. It feels good to hold this. Rotating LCD screen, looking good. Yeah, it's very light. It's very, very light, and I like it. I like the grip is nice. The grip is nice. In a way, I think it fits my fingers really well. Yeah, I mean, okay. I guess when I hold it, this finger is gone. Right, so I only need to use 2 fingers over here, and then obviously in the shutter, then start shooting like that or like this. That doesn't matter. And yeah, that's the unboxing video, I guess. I'm not sure if there's anything else. Let's see if the original batteries. You see inside? Nope. Nope. Okay, let's check if it's anywhere else around here. Yeah. Not to worry. So, charger and the battery. Alright, it's a very messy unboxing, but I hope you guys like it. And in the next video, I'll try to see I'll try to see if I'll spend some time to actually try it. I mean, there are already so many other videos on using the S5, right? But yeah, I mean, if you guys are interested to know more whether, you know, S5 is still a good camera to use in 2024, you know, just stay tuned. A new video is coming up very soon. Okay, until next time, see ya!